Diplomatic negotiations between the governments of Samoa and Malaysia has seen the Ministry of Foreign Affairs negotiate the release and return of a Samoan woman responsible for giving birth and dumping her new dead-born baby into a trash bin in a restroom on the National Monument grounds in Kuala Lumber, Malaysia. Tuilaepa Sailele Malielegaoi says a newborn baby abandoned in a toilet rubbish bin in a foreign country by a Samoan national raises serious concerns for the government of Samoa. The Prime Minister explained to TV1 Time Malipalimia that abandoning a child in this manner is no different to murder. The 33-year-old Samoan woman was taken into custody and detained by Malaysian police. It's understood the woman was attending a health training course in Malaysia. She is due to arrive back in Samoa tomorrow, accompanied by the High Commissioner of Samoa to Australia. The Prime Minister reaffirmed that the woman responsible will face the consequences of the law for her action. In relation to the discovery of two babies here in Samoa, the Prime Minister said it is really hard to understand the situation of the woman and family involved. He urges families, village councils, church leaders and government leaders to work together in preventing incidents like this from happening here in Samoa. Jack Semanutava for Talafo.